Can't. All right, gang. Take a look at this. Look at all that snow on top. That's all fresh there. Over 12 inches of snow overnight. This is the first night that it snowed in Whistler. It's been bone dry. And this is the day we're leaving this morning, actually. But don't worry, the trip wasn't a bust. You'll have to stay tuned to see what that's all about. And hopefully we're going to experience something like this when we head south here. More to come.
Say it can take up to 2 hours on the snow in the winter, yeah. To go like 15 kilometers.
Let me tell you something. We did zero filming coming down from Whistler to Crystal last night. And we had dinner with a friend and his family, Jake and Amy. Really great place. Actually saw my son Reese and his girlfriend Gretchen. They work here in Enumclaw, so that was nice too. And we had a sweet deal where one of our friends decided he didn't want to come to Crystal, and so he was going to give up his RV spot for us to use. I mean, we're going to pay him, but yeah, and so we were here, but we showed up last night and there's a ton of rain. Oh, these RVs. Tons of rain last night, turned to snow. We rode so much today, I feel destroyed. My legs are just destroyed. So much powder. Yeah, in all the best ways. So much powder. Epic day of riding. Super fun. And we just kept on bombing him. And I couldn't slow Dawn down. You just can't slow her down. Nope. Nope. She likes to run. So we're riding tomorrow. We're just gonna hang out here. Yep, riding tomorrow. We'll do a little bit of filming tomorrow. And then we'll head home after that. It's been a great trip. Great relaxing trip here. Yeah, check that out. Coming down now. Nope. All right, so we're gonna review our V-lots now for Ski Hills. Whistler doesn't technically have a ski hill or an RV lot, but where we stayed, Riverside, it's almost as close as the walk as where we had to park. And Crystal had better amenities and was had better amenities at the same price. So our favorite's still White Pass.
Don't tell the people.
It has less
Don't tell them.
amenities, but it fits our vibe just right. Most people won't like it though, so don't ever go
Maybe you
there.
don't have very many followers.
Good thing. But now we got to walk way over there. Oh, morning guys. Last day of riding, and check this out. We pulled our shades because we're leaving after this, and so we're trying to get the condensation off our windows so that when we get back. But it is dumping out.
It's a winter wonderland out there, guys.
Yep, and we hear the mortars going off, so they're doing a bunch of avalanche prevention right now.
A bunch is closed.
A bunch of us closed, yeah. So we read that they're not going to let us go up, well, that they're not going to let us go up mountain or uphill until they do their avalanche precautions. So we're not sure if that meant the entire mountain or certain sections. So we're going to walk up and see. But it is dumping out here. It's going to be a fun, beautiful day. It's supposed to snow all day too, so we're gonna be in for it. My legs are recovered. We'll see for how long, because these conditions are they're fun, but they're challenging as well. Hard workout runs. Fun. Here we go though.
Let's go up.
One of the blues right underneath the hill. Come on, babe! Wow, guys, wow. That's all I can say is wow. Check this out. So great. So great. And look at the chair. It's almost empty again. We're all here to ride today. And we're having a great old time. Dawn back in the chamber. Legs are doing good. Oh my goodness, babe. fellas, ladies and gentlemen, what a great trip. So epic day.
Amazing.
It has been snowing all day at Crystal. Very blessed the last 2 days to get what we just did. It's Friday
So much snow.
at 3 right now, so the last lift is just now going. Amazing time. So had a great time. What's up next for us? We're not going to film the rest, so we're going to say goodbye for this, but we're heading down to Enumclaw.
Meet up with the kids for dinner.
Meet up with Reese and Gretchen for dinner. We're going to do a little stealth camping somewhere in Enumclaw, and then early Saturday morning make our way home. Start taking care of our tribe again.
Back to life.
Yeah, back to life. We're had a week of really great memories. Love the van and what it provides for us, and the truck as well. Like, we love all our little memory makers. But the van for this type of thing,
I think we might become people who chase powder.
I think
Like
so.
with the van, I'm fine with just driving to the next mountain if they
Me
have
too.
better snow.
Right, I am too. It's about
Too old for ice.
It is. I have to say.
It's epic.
But yeah, so the first Thursday's powder was really heavy, so that was a leg workout big time.
Still amazing.
So yeah, still amazing. Today's powder.
We got up earlier today. We were like first in line.
Yes, and it snowed
before
all.
the crowds, and so yeah,
Wow.
it was just first tracks for several runs.
And Thursday it was raining when we came up to Crystal. I don't remember if I recorded that or not, but it was actually raining. It probably didn't turn to snow. A lot of rain.
Till like after midnight. I
Yeah,
think.
probably until after midnight. But then the next day it stayed cool the entire time, and so this snow was a little bit fluffier and just magical.
I mean, it's accumulating so fast today. Like
Yeah.
just on the chairlift. I mean, you'd be covered in snow. You'd
Yep.
have like a few centimeters of snow piled up on you.
Yes.
Just in the way up the lift. So
It-
it's like an actual snow globe.
It is. And while there was wind, it wasn't terrible once we kind of figured it out.
Is it supposed to keep snowing like this overnight for them?
I think it is for a little bit, but it's going to
Tomorrow's
taper
gonna
off.
be ridiculous.
Yeah, it's going to taper off the next 2 days. These were the big dump days. So, but maybe a bluebird at Crystal tomorrow for everyone. Of course, this video is going to be later than that, but yeah, really fun time. With that, guys, this was our first trip back since Kennedy's accident together, and we just feel very blessed by God looking over our family, and we give Him all the glory.
I think it's been 8 weeks.
Been 8 weeks. Yeah,
On Sunday will be 8 weeks. Yeah.
we'll give Him all the glory for that.
Amazing.
So very appreciative for everything that's going on. Till next time, gang, I hope we see you on the trail.